Right, so on our Rover 75, our silver one, 2003, here at the DPN Rover collection. I thought I'd do this little video, as what we're going to do is replace the gas struts on the bonnet. We've already done them on our maroon 75. They weren't quite as bad as the ones on the silver one, although it's staying up. We have had it where it just will not stay up, so we thought it was time to change them. We managed online through eBay at the time making this film to get a pair of new gas struts, which was good because a lot of sellers seem to be selling them as individual. We got them as a pair, round about I think £18, which was quite a good price because some of them were even £25 just for one gas strut, so we were quite pleased with that. So it is worth keeping a look at because we've seen them there, then they go out of stock, then they seem to be dear, and then they're back at a good price, so it's well worth keeping an eye out. So we've got the two gas struts there, all in the packet, and when we fit into the maroon one, they're quite nice actually, not too much of a sort of spring up to the bonnet, but they're holding it up and let it go up on its own. We've got a little hook to get the little bit of metal out each time so that you can remove them. And I've also, you'll notice, got some ties and little cutters, because although not on the silver one, on the maroon 45 there's like an earth strap that goes up into the bonnet and it's tied on this gas strut, so I had them ready, but we've not got that on our silver one, which I thought was the case, but we've got them there. We've also got a little bit of grease just to put on these little ball bolts, so when we put them on, it hopefully won't rust behind there and should move nice and easily. Right, so we've got our gas strut ready, and they seem to put them with the extendable part of the gas strut down towards the car and the main part up towards the bonnet. And what I do to get them off nice and easily is, as I said, we use this pick tool, and I just pull the little bit of metal spring clip, as you can see there, just out, so it's not hooking on, and the same down at the bottom there. Hopefully you can see we've got it sort of pulled out as well, so all I need to do is just rest my shoulder on the bonnet and now pull it out. Okay, there you can see it come off from the top and then out from the bottom. So we've now got one gas strut out, and actually I'm managing to hold it with my shoulder, because the other gas strut will still hold the bonnet enough that it's not really too heavy, but it won't hold it completely up. So we're put a little bit of grease just onto these little ball sort of bolts, just so that hopefully moves easy, not too much, just a little bit. And then with these, we don't remove the metal little straps on either end, because we want that to spring on. Now it should go on quite easily just by clipping it on, and then it's a case of moving it round to line this bit up. Should turn round, and then again moving the bonnet about so you've got it just about right, and it should clip on. And there's the first gas strut done. So what I'll do is I'll move on and do the other side now. Right, so that's them fitted, and as you can see they look more or less like the originals. The only difference is when you pull the bonnet down, they just pull it down halfway and let it go, and it's staying there, not falling down, and you can see it's gently going up and springing up on its own. As I said, it's quite nice, it's not sort of a vicious spring up, but it will bring it up on its own and even hold it there halfway, whereas before if you just touched it was a little bit of wind, this bonnet would come down. We've put the old ones in the original plastic wrapping and we'll put them back in the box. I don't know if we'll keep those ones, we'll certainly keep the ones from the maroon car because they weren't quite as bad, and I think actually they're more or less the same as the boot on the 75, so we may keep both as spares, or even spares for the bonnet, because they're better than nothing at all, and they may have other uses as well, so sometimes it's always worth keeping them. But hopefully that's showed you how to change the bonnet struts on a 75, that you can still get hold of them, and it's not too bad a job hopefully to change them either, and certainly worth it when you know that the bonnet's not going to drop down, especially even when you take it for an MOT or you have it up at a show. You don't want that bonnet dropping down, and they certainly make sure they don't. As always, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos, look at our Instagram and Twitter page, all the links on our YouTube channel. As always, thank you very much for watching.